Are you currently having problems with your Facebook Messenger having a white screen bug and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually I had the exact same problem myself and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what we're going to do first is to just close our Facebook Messenger app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app instead, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just simply scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here, and then it should take you to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just click right here where it says storage, as you can see. And by the way, just a quick information, this page right here might take a couple of seconds to load, just so you know. So if you're, for example, waiting now over a minute and it hasn't yet loaded, well, that probably means that you're using a lot of space right now on your mobile, and that is why. But just wait a couple of more seconds and then we should be taken here. So scroll down a little bit in here until we can find Messenger. So I think it should be somewhere down here actually. So just a second. Let's see if I can actually find the Messenger app. I hope I haven't I hope I haven't scrolled past it. Just going to keep scrolling down. Actually, I have, unfortunately. Sorry for that. Here it is, Messenger app. As you can see, then click on Upload app in here, and then once again, click on Upload app. And basically what will happen now is that, as you can see, it's going to just load a little bit, and then click on the blue button here again. It's going to now auto update to the latest version for Facebook Messenger, and it's going to fix that white screen bug. That was exactly what I did myself, and it worked like magic afterwards, basically, because after it was done loading right here, I went back into my Facebook Messenger and the white screen was now gone, the bug was now gone, and that is basically how I was able to fix it.